ready?
Yep. Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up here. Is that how the meme goes? Oh my god.
8:01
a.m. I can't do that. Hello, vagina waxing pops.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, hey girly pops, haha, very funny joke. Okay, not really in a like funny mood right now because I'm about to go get my vagina waxed. Haha. My hands are really sweaty and other things are really sweaty and I'm really scared. As you guys know, I've been doing a series. We've got 3 installments so far of the best method for removing vagina hair and we have not found a good method yet. So today we're gonna try a Brazilian wax, which means a random stranger goes down there and waxes your punani for you and you pay them a lot of money. This is gonna be really painful and I'm really excited. Make sure to subscribe and give it a like. All right, let's go.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see
Vagina wax! Yeah!
You sure you don't want a hot thing on your eyes for a second?
Will it have my eyes closed?
Yes, I think that's for the best, honestly. I think if it's like getting a shot. If you're watching it, you're going to cringe up more.
Are you ready, Haley?
I think this is the most hilarious. I was not ready for this, but this is awesome. All right, lay it back.
Oh my goodness.
Pull that up a little. Spread.
What's like the youngest person that you've ever...
You are the youngest person.
Oh.
This is the first time I've had to have a chaperone.
We're setting records here.
You really are. I have seen grown women who have had kids and I'm like, how is this worse than childbirth? I think this could be it.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that didn't hurt at all.
Well, that wasn't a big area.
All right, this is like the easy part.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Oh.
Ready?
Oh my god. Ooh, it will sting after.
All right, hold on.
Yep. Oh.
See? Okay, I know that one's.
Ooh, okay.
I know the tab's actually one of the worst parts. You ready?
Yep. Okay.
That was a good one. You part off. Ready?
Yep. Okay.
All right, ready?
Oh, okay.
Look at my tab. That's maybe the worst part, honestly. All right, ready?
Yep. Oh my god. No. Ooh, that's the worst one. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Ooh, it was a good one though. All right. Take a deep breath in. This is gonna be a good one.
Oh, that was fun.
I knew it was.
Oh, wow.
Alrighty.
Oh, there we go. Got the tab.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oop. 1, 2, 3. All right, ready? Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that was the
Oh,
main
that's
area.
a good one.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
How many vaginas have you seen?
Many. 1, 2, 3.
Has anyone ever like peed on the table?
No, not yet.
Am I doing first?
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was great.
3, 2, 1. And hold your legs behind your. I know that seems weird.
Oh, jeez.
But ready?
Oh, okay.
3. See? 3. 2. Take a deep, slow, deep breath. 3, 2, 1.
That was fun.
That was ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got some of those left. 1.
Ow.
3. I know. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it look. Wow, look
Oh, that was great.
Right? 3, 2, 1. That was good.
men down.
Can you tell when she fluffy? Full of hair?
This is like the easy part though.
Oh, look at this 17-year-old. I'm like, oh my god.
I think you can stop filming. I'm not even reacting anymore.
Men down.
Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Okay, I'm about to update you about the vagina waxing and everything, but Jade Dharmawangsa on YouTube told me to try the green tea matcha latte. And what is this? I know this is like really bratty. Like I already had to tell them to change it once because they didn't make it a latte. And now they did make it a latte. Like what? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so grody. Did I just say grody? Would you buy some shirts that say grody on it? Okay. Ew, look at the bottom. What the heck is this? Okay, I'm gonna try it. That's so disgusting. Whatever. So, the vagina waxing. Right, let's get to that. I definitely think it is the best method that we've tried thus far. We have tried shaving using Nair hair removal cream and waxing at home. And now we've tried a full Brazilian wax by someone, and that is definitely the best so far. The only things is, jeez, okay, I need to like actually go to school. If you have a low pain tolerance, you're gonna hate this. You're probably gonna like tap out. I spent $72 on that freaking thing, and this video is probably not even gonna be monetized. So subscribe. Yeah, so it's painful and expensive. I'm very happy with the results, but for you to like come into every single month and pay $72, I don't know if I'm willing to commit to that. You know what I'm saying? And it took me like 2 hours. It's time consuming, expensive, and painful. So it works, but are you willing to have those 3 things in mind? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep trying to figure out a cheaper at-home method that's less expensive and less time consuming. Tell me down below what you want me to try next. Make sure to subscribe to see me do the next one. And I also make like vlogs in school and dance videos and just like hashtag lifestyle beauty guru videos sometimes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I will see you guys very soon. I'm going on a very exciting trip, so you're gonna want to stay tuned for those vlogs. I might be collabing with some of your fave YouTubers, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you, girly pops. Bye. Oh, and manly pops. Can't forget about those manly pops. Okay. Except I hope there aren't boys watching this. Okay, never mind. Okay, bye.
Oh, would you be so kind as to fall in love with me? You see, I'm trying. I know you know that I like you, but